Hi, it's George from OCAM 4x4. Today we're going to be installing a bonnet protector on the Mercedes X-Class. So with the bonnet guard, you'll get your necessary clips and hardware. You'll find that there's two larger clips. This is for the middle of the bonnet protector. In the pack, you'll get two grommets, which kind of look like butterflies. And these two basically go into the large hole underneath the bonnet guard. You push them in. Just repeat the process on the other side. Inside the pack, you get your clear protective tape, which just line it up with the grommet that you've installed and just place it gently there. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Inside the kit, you'll get two larger brackets. Now these two larger brackets will simply clip onto the bottom of the bonnet guard, and the other end will actually line up with the hole. It is a bit firm, just give it a good push. Once you've put the clips onto the bonnet guard, you can now place the bonnet guard just gently onto the bonnet. And you should find that they will line up with the grommets that we placed earlier. Inside the pack, you will get two larger screws. Now these screws are to go where we put the grommet in earlier. And they will actually just hold it in place. Once you actually screw it in, the grommet opens and it won't be able to pop back out. Just nice and firm, don't over tighten, and that'll actually hold it in place. Up next, what you'll do is you'll grab one of your four clips. There are four holes on the actual bonnet guard, two on the left and two on the right hand side. And just loosely, you're going to place them with the screw, just in position over there, just loosely, so we know exactly where to put the protective tape onto the bonnet. So in the pack, you've got four clips. They're all identical. They will just go where the existing holes are onto the bonnet guard. So what we're doing is just loosely placing them for the time being, just so we can actually line up where the protective strips go onto the bonnet. In the pack, you've got more protective tape just to throw onto the bonnet guard. Once you've placed your clips loosely onto the bonnet, you'll be able to line up so you know exactly where the tape needs to go. And just repeat the process for all four clips. And there you have it. That's how you install the bonnet guard on the Mercedes X-Class. Thank you for watching.